Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. I had a chance recently to watch Lakota Nation versus the United States, which is a documentary released in 2022. It includes some really compelling interviews. Uh, Henry Red Cloud, Nick Estes, Crystal Toolbowles, and Nick Tilson, among others. I thought it was a great, succinct way to look at some of the most important dimensions of Lakota history, especially as they show up today. So, the Black Hills land claim coming out of the Treaty of Fort Laramie in 1868. And I thought it also does a good job of giving viewers who may not have a lot of knowledge about Lakota history a little more information about what is the land back movement as a framework for restorative justice. What are the issues with regard to, social activism, pipeline protests, and things like that. And I really felt that the interviews were quite compelling. I thought it was authentic and accurate, and I'd certainly recommend it to anyone who wants to get a snapshot of some of the biggest issues in Lakota history and current events. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.